Hello, APM users. My name is Nathan, and I am going to be doing a demo of the AI features in the latest release of Audio Project Manager. So, those features are noise reduction, voice conversion, and automatic transcription. So to be able to use them, you first have to turn them on, and that is here in at the team level where you can see the list of all your projects. You go to, and then I have this team, Nathan's team. Click settings, and then in this drop down, you can turn them all on here or turn the ones on that you want to use, and then click save. And I am gonna demo the noise reduction one in this project here. So I made a recording a few minutes ago that has fan noise and chicken sounds. So let me load that in here and play it for you. Okay, this is a recording to test the AI noise cancellation features in APM. Have a fan here on my desk that I'm going to turn on right now. I can hear that pretty loud in my headphones, and so I'm talking over it now, but then I'm going to stop talking. And that would be just it in the background with no vocals, so I'll turn the fan off. And I've got my phone ready to play some chicken noises here, so I'll play them. And then I'll talk over the chickens as well, just so we can test it both ways. All right, you can be quiet now, chickens. And I'm going to stop the recording and then run it through the denoiser. Okay, so you could hear those noise, hopefully pretty clear. The denoise button is right here, reduce noise. It's a chicken with a line through it, and all you have to do is click it. And so then that file gets uploaded to the cloud AI server and run through a denoiser there and then sent back to you. And it's fairly quick, like usually a minute or under. If this sometimes it could be longer, like it says there in the text, if there's other files ahead of you. If this gets too long, I'll snip it out. So it's back. That was pretty quick. I think maybe 30 seconds or something. And let's listen to it. Okay, this is a recording to test the AI noise cancellation features in APM. Have a fan here on my desk that I'm going to turn on right now. I can hear that pretty loud in my headphones, and so I'm talking over it now, but then I'm going to stop talking. And that would be just it in the background with no vocals, so I'll turn the fan off. And I've got my phone ready to play some chicken noises here, so I'll play them. And then I'll talk over the chickens as well, just so we can test it both ways. All right, you can be quiet now, chickens. And I'm going to stop the recording and then run it through the denoiser. Okay, so as you can see, that it took out pretty much all of the chicken and fan noises, and even most of the click from turning on the fan. It changed my voice slightly, but I don't know that that's really even that noticeable. So let me save that, and then we'll go on to the next feature. So back to my projects. The other two I want to show in this Vincentian Creole Bible Stories project. I've got a recording from my friend Stedroy telling the Noah story. And let me play just a little bit of that. You may understand some of it because it's an English-based Creole.
Yeah, the one I name a flood story. Now if they see Adam and Eve been done, do them the thing, and sin against God. They been come and they get pick me. And for them they pick me and then come and get more pick me. And then they pick me and come again and get more pick me.
Okay. So if I wanted to convert that to my voice, say, I would come here to this gear. This is the voice conversion feature. So click this, and I've already done it, but you would use this to, it'll walk you through the process of recording all of this text, and that's your release for the AI to use your voice for the conversion. And it's also the source of the vocal quality in your voice that it's going to use to technically convert. And I've already done that. You don't need to listen to me read a bunch of legalese. So then I'll just click begin conversion. And just like the last one, it has to upload it to the cloud and run it through a process on a server somewhere else and then send it back to me. And I will snip this out. So here is the recording back, and let's see how it sounds with me speaking Vincentian Creole.
Yeah, the one have a flood story. No, after I see, I don't want to be done blame the thing. Snaggy as God. They've been calling to pick me.
Yeah, so that sounds like me speaking Vincentian Creole. So I'm gonna not save that one because I want to use Stedroy's version for the transcription demo. So let me come over here to transcribe and not save changes. And to transcribe, this is the feature here. I've already selected Jamaican Creole. If you're if so the service is from Meta MMS, and they have 1,000 something languages in their system that you can use for transcription. If if your language is in there, choose it by all means. I wanted to do this demo with a language that doesn't have it, but using a sister language. And so Vincentian Creole spoken in St. Vincent, Jamaican Creole is another island in the Caribbean that's related. I could understand pretty much everything in Jamaican Creole since I speak Vincentian Creole. So it's kind of a good demo for a sister language. So I've already selected Jamaican Creole here, and then I'm going to do begin recognition, and it's sending it off to the server, running it through transcription, and then coming back. Seems like the transcription process is a little quicker than the voice conversion one for whatever reason. But I will snip out the rest of this process so it's not so long for you. All right, so the transcription is back, and it's actually pretty good. Yeah, that one of them name of the flood story. Now after Adam and Eve been done do them their thing and sin against God. So pretty close for it not being using the actual language. I think it would be much better if Vincent Creole was in there. So that's the demo. That's the three features. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions, and I'll sign off.